So welcome back to Unnati's YouTube channel, guys. One more new video. I know it's very quick because you might have seen my first video where we talked about Amazon Q CLI. But yeah, in this video, I found I'm going to share which I found very exciting and very logical and very easy to implement ecosystem on how you use Amazon Q for troubleshooting and fixing the production scenarios as well. So I have my Kubernetes cluster ready, and just to keep a suspense, I had done some intentional issues with my Kubernetes deployment, or something is wrong in my Kubernetes cluster, which I don't know. Right? Let's pretend that I don't know. Fine. So let's try to see that. So how to install Amazon Q, how to basically configure, how to log in. If you had missed those things, please go and watch my previous video. Fine. So I'm just saying Amazon Q enter. So if I say Q chat, let's do a chatting with it. I will clear this. Sorry. I'm a CLI guy, so clear command is very commonly used for me, so I don't want to use it. No problem. Oh, sorry. Anyway, so I'm just telling in a generalized language on, can you check my Kubernetes cluster and fix issues. That's it, nothing else. So in a backend, it will do a lot of things. It is saying, hey Ashutosh, I don't know whether kubectl is installed or not. Let me verify that. It is going to install, right? So of course, maybe a -- short command is deprecated. So it's saying kubectl version. So it's saying, okay. Now it's doing get nodes. It is reconfirming that the cluster is running or not. It's running. It's checking the namespaces. What are those namespaces? It sees the namespace. You can see that there is some image pullback on the screen, right? So it says, see, I will run the following command, right? So I would say yes here, and it describes how the kubectl describe command works. It says, okay, cool. I will run the following command again. It's doing something. It's getting a YAML file, and this is the important point, guys. See, you can simply see that it's telling that I have identified an issue with the Kubernetes cluster. Here is what I found and how to fix it. Your deployment, which I was not knowing, my deployment 1 is failing. The container is trying to pull an image called docker.io httd, right? Which does not exist. This appears to be a typo. In the image name, it should be likely to be httpd instead of httd, right? Solution. So it's saying set image, right? Do I want to execute? I would say yes. So it's doing that. And I can see if I can do a get parts, and cool. Can you imagine? It had done all the intelligent in a backend and fixed my issue in couple of minutes. Yeah, that's a glimpse of, this is just a glimpse of how you can use Kubernetes and Amazon Q CLI together to fix these kind of logical scenarios. Cool. I hope you found this video very interesting, a very short video. But yeah, once again, happy learning, guys. See you soon. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.